Computer science videos here today to show you guys in the tutorial how to create a team site for Microsoft SharePoint for Office 365 on a Mac computer, web-based. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, an account for Office 365, come to work, school or business. So we can now go all the way down to the dock, go to Launchpad, now go to the web browser, which is Google Chrome in this case. Now go to office.com. Make sure you are signed into the account. Now go to the left-hand side navigation menu, over to the bottom left corner of the screen. Click on all applications. Navigate to SharePoint so we can then share and manage the content. Click on SharePoint. Now to create a site, a team site, go to the left-hand side navigation menu. Click on Create Site. We can choose between a team site or a communication site. We will pick Team Site. We require a name. Let's just choose Media. And so we can see the site name is available, the group name is available, so the alias is available. The site address is also available. We can have a description if we require. Let's just say this is for the media account. Privacy setting, private. Select the language, English will do. Go to next. Do we require any additional owners? Absolutely not. Let's just click on finish. So now we have created a team site for myself. We can choose to add other members from the company if we're required to. So we can now quit Google Chrome. That's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now.